Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn 30 most common English words which are used in sentences. But before moving ahead, please subscribe my channel for more videos. A. I saw a bear today. B. Will you be my friend? And you and I will always be friends. In. She is in her room. Off. Today is the 1st of November. 2. Let's go to the park. Have. I have a few questions. 2. I like her too. It. It is sunny today. I don't know him. 4. This letter is for you. That door is open. You are really nice. He is my brother. With. I want to go with you. On. I watch movies on my iPad. Do. What will you do now? Say. Can I say something? This is my favorite cookie. They are here. At. Can you pick me up at the mall? But. I'm sorry, but she is away. We are going to watch a movie. His. This is box. From. This card came from my cousin. That's a really cool trick. Not. That's not what I want. Can't. I can't open it. Won't. I won't open it. Buy. Will you come by and see me?